think it is! Unbelievable!
One of the factory Ducatis clattered in.
Believe it! They're trying to get that bike
A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso.
Mike, because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to stick the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see it above the
A shocker for
back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following with Vinales then following
Marquez now has
damn the back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Yamaha, he's on the stretcher.
Well, on Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki out, hit around.
If they can't take it above the a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Battered into Quattararo's Yamaha, he's on the stretcher. The tarmac run off quite a few times.
Damn the back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with
It's up to Dovizioso. There's fire from the Ducati. The high side. Nowhere to into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't
Give a Fabio Quattararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Nowhere to into the air. He's rolled through. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso.
Straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Battered into Quattararo. Yamaha shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
Rossi and Rings with Vinales.
Happy siren, the back shocker for Andrea Dovizioso.